Unlocking USCIS Form I-751, your guide to permanent U.S. residency. Form I-751, petition to remove conditions on residence, is a crucial step for conditional residents who obtained status through marriage to a U.S. citizen or permanent resident, enabling them to become permanent residents. The form is typically filed jointly by the conditional resident and their U.S. citizen or permanent resident spouse. In some cases, exceptions can be made for filing without the spouse. The I-751 should be filed within the 90-day period before the second anniversary of obtaining conditional status. As for the filing fee, it's currently $595, with an additional $85 biometric services fee. Apart from the form, applicants should also include evidence of a bona fide marriage, like shared property or bank accounts, birth certificates of children, or affidavits from third parties. If you fail to file Form I-751, you may lose your conditional resident status and face removal from the U.S., so it's vital to complete this step accurately and timely. Remember, while this guide offers a quick understanding of Form I-751, always consult an immigration expert for personalized advice. Thanks for watching. To learn more about USCIS Form I-751 and its requirements, check out our article in the description below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful videos on immigration. See you next time.